Even if you live in a large city with a busy lifestyle, there is always some kind of water, bigger or smaller, where you can find some fish and relax from stress. And today is my turn. So welcome to my singing angler channel. My name is Oleg, and today I'm going to fish in the Prague city on this little stream. As you can see, it's very little river, but there's some nice fish, roaches, breams and chubs, and I hope this rod will help me to catch some of them. I'm going to use today this little bobber as a bait indicator and live bait. Some maggots and some worms, they live together. Okay, for now I set 2 maggots. Yeah, maybe 1 red. Of course, red is not natural color of maggot, this is colored. Okay, 2 maggots, and let's see what's going to happen. Maybe a little bit deeper. Okay. Nothing happens. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, look at that, oh, look at that. It's a nice fish. Oh. Really, I didn't expect such a fish here. Oh, what is that? Ah, nice. Amazing chub. Amazing chub. It's nice fish. Even I should use landing net in this case. Good. So look at that fish. It's a beautiful chub. For the winter, it's a beautiful fish. Okay, take over hook and release him. Okay, thank you. It's always important to measure properly the fishing spot so you can find the best depth for fishing, because the live bait should touch the bottom. And it's the best way to catch almost any fish, especially now in the winter. I got a bite. Okay, there's the fish. Little roach. Okay. Hey baby, thank you very much. Okay, there is one more fish. There is one more nice fish. Maybe not big one, but it's not big one. But on this light rod, I feel very like a monster. What is this? This is one more roach. Okay. So guys, as you have seen, I just got some fish from this spot, and here's the tip number 1. Fish on the deepest spots of the stream with slow moving water, and you will be lucky, I'm sure. You can make maybe 5 or maybe a dozen last casts before you go to another spot, or especially before you go home. Okay. Oh, one more fish. Good. What is that? Okay, it's again little chub. How many fish are in this pool? Not a big fish, but beautiful. Just have a look on this dark black tail and red fins. Oh, beautiful fish. Okay. Grow up, little guy. Oh wait, what the hell is that? It looks like a fishing rod. Hey, no, really? What is this? First fish. Okay. Guys, this is normally ordinary fishing rod. Look at that. Really, first fish. 3 meters, 10 feet long. Hey, I found a fishing rod. Beautiful. Amazing. I found a beautiful second spot. Just look at that. This long pool. Not so deep because I can see the bottom in some parts. But anyway, it's beautiful. Should be some fish just over here. Okay. So guys, I didn't get any fish in such a nice pool. You know why? Because fish could see me. And here's the tip number 2. Be invisible and try to hide yourself from fish. Because fish can easily find you on the shore, on the bank. Especially now in the winter time when the water is clear. Okay, then when the water is getting dark like that, like a coffee with milk, a little amount of food can be helpful. So I use for winter fishing this very light dark color and with strong fragrance. And really need very little food. This is more than enough for fishing because fish really don't eat a lot in the winter. So guys, here's the tip number 4. Use very little amount of food if you want to feed the fish. Yeah, great. I think it's going to work now. Okay, here's the fish. What is that? It's a roach. Okay, great. This is the weather, awful weather. Anyway, I'm happy with any fish now. Whew. There are so many trees around me. Oh, it's difficult to walk with such a long rod. So here's the tip number 4. Use a short rod as it is possible, especially if you plan to walk along the river, downstream or upstream, it doesn't matter. Anyway, be careful, especially watch, pay high attention on your rod tip. Alright, so it is higher now. So I found a very nice spot with still water, and some fish, should be some fish gathered. Okay, I'll try here, definitely. Oh, a little fish, guys. Nice. What is that? It's a little chub. Huh? But the tail is not black. Interesting, maybe because he's young. Getting it back. Oh, here's a fish. One more chub. Great. So guys, the weather is getting worse. Now it's just started snowing and I think it's good time to go back home. So here's the tip number 5. Don't underestimate the value of your warm clothes. Waterproof and warm clothes, because you can enjoy fishing or you can just get a cold when you get back home. So be careful with that. My name is Oleg. Here's the Singing Angler channel. If you like this video, please put the thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I wish you good luck and tight lines. See you. Bye.